Welcome back. We're taking another look at Medford's most wanted tonight.
These are fugitives police want in custody now. News 10's Crystal Henderson is live at the Medford Police Department with more. Crystal?
Caught red-handed, the first suspect has been on Medford police officers' radar since they say he stole from a convenience store. Lieutenant Mike Bedreau, what happened?
Yeah, this is Jeffrey Mark Tatum. He's 58 years old. A neighbor called in suspicious noises coming from a convenience store down here in southwest Medford, and officers got there, also heard these noises. And this gentleman comes walking out with a bag full of food and all the money from the cash register. He was burglarizing the place. So they actually arrested him on the spot, took him to jail. Well, unfortunately, he was released from jail rather quickly for overcrowding. He goes right back the same day, goes back to the store, contacts the owner and threatens the owner, and actually gets rearrested again. So now he did spend some time in jail after that, but now he's wanted again for the same thing.
And who else is on your list right now?
Robert Allen Plum. He's 48 years old. He's wanted for identity theft, possession of meth, and a restricted weapon. Stems from two cases, which he used a stolen credit card in one case, and in another case, he was caught doing a theft at a local convenience store, and he had an illegal weapon on him.
And now let's wrap up with the final suspect.
Yeah, James Brian Vaughn. He's 30 years old. He's wanted for dealing heroin. He was actually contacted on a pedestrian stop for basically a jaywalking offense. He had warrants. He was arrested for that, and he had a bunch of heroin all packaged for sale on his person.
All right, thank you so much, Lieutenant Mike Bedreau. As always, all of these mugshots will be up on our website at ktvl.com. Covering your news live in Medford, back to you in the studio.